Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoders, your Power BI channel. So today I'm going to do tutorial number 53, how to add an animated background to your Power BI dashboard with the example of custom visuals.
Press subscribe and click the bell icon, so you will never miss any Power BI updates from Geek Decoders.
To start, first we need to download the custom visual. For that, go to appsource.microsoft.com and here type aquarium and you can click here Power Platform as well and you can do search. Right, so if you go down, as you can see, this visual custom visual is appear. We can go inside it that, right? So it looks like this, so you can press get it now and get it downloaded. Right, so now click download for Power BI and it will download automatically to your computer. Right, so now I'm in the Power BI dashboard. So here you can go home and more visuals, and here you can say from my files, right? So we have to import the downloaded Power BI visual to my dashboard. Right, so now in the visualization section, this aquarium visual, custom visual is started to appear. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I will add this visual to my dashboard. So since I want it as a background, I will full add it to a kind of full page, right? Right, and here as fields, fish, here I will add item. So then there are two fishes will be there, because in my Power BI dashboard I have two items, that is van and car, and then size of the fish I will add sales value. So as you can see, this is van, this is car, right? So you can add anything here. Let's say you can add salesperson. Here we can add salesperson as well. So as you can see here, this is Aaron Crater, this is John Smith, and this is Brittany Dior. So depends on the sales value that they have brought after the company, so the fish size also will change, right? So this is how we add kind of animated background, right? So in here you can go and change different aspects here. So date, scales, and then general, right? So then series. So here in series you can add rounded fish, or sharks, or any fish that you want. And in top of this I will add some visuals. Let's say I will add a small card here. So in this card I will display, let's say, total sales value, and then I will add some small graph. So as graph values I will add axis wise, I will add item, and then values wise I will add sales value. So as you can see, so you can match the colors as well as you want. So here I will use default color, but let's say if you want, here you can add go and background, you can select some particular color that you want, let's say light blue color something. So then it will blend with the Power BI dashboard, Power BI background. So here also you can add different colors as you want, right? But I'll keep it as it is, right? So actually now this type of background with this type of visuals, actually you can publish this into a TV screen or something like that. So then it looks like the same as you see right now. So I'll publish it and to the my web version. Right, so now if you go to app.powerbi.com and in your dashboard section or in your report section, so you can see this report that you have developed. So as you can see, it will display as we have developed in my desktop dashboard. So here you can go more option and pin it to a dashboard, so then you can display or share it with your friends. Right, so I will pin to live. Right, so now you are in the dashboard, so you can directly share it with others. You can directly publish this dashboard into a TV. So in TV display also it looks or it displays same as this, so the fish will swim here and there. So it will have a kind of animated effect, and it will give a kind of nice look as well to your dashboard. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope you have learned something about Power BI earnings segment, and please subscribe my channel and keep in touch.